did musicality this month. So we started out first, most important thing, rhythm. Do you have it? Let's hope so. You got to dance on beat. And in particular, we wanted things to swing. So we talked about, can we do straight triple step cha-chas? Just, that is not swinging. Nothing wrong with it, depending on what dance you're doing, but at some point in Lindy Hop, you got to make sure you swing it. So we swing the triple steps. A little bounce helps make that feel good. We found that swing rhythm in a bunch of songs, and we kind of tested y'all on whether the song was swinging or not. And there was a little confusion early on because I think we got caught by like, is it a swing sounding song, like the era, or is it different instrumentation? And we're really talking about the quality of rhythm. The test is if you put on a song and you triple step to that song, if your triple step sound like this, it's swinging. No matter what genre, it's swinging. If they sound like this, it's not swinging. It might be an awesome song. If I play it, I want to play good stuff, but it's not swinging. And what you need to know is trust your feet. A lot of people try to figure it out in their head and they got a little funky answers. When we did our feet, we kind of got the answer every time. So, swing or not swing was the first thing we really worked on. Then we worked on the structure of music. We worked on sort of hearing the phrases go by. There was AAVA, there was AVAC, there was blues. Those are the forms we sort of talked about. You don't have to know specifically what they are, but if you know to hear a chunk go by, can you hear a chunk of music go by, a phrase of music, and can you react to it? And moreover, when you hear the music change from one feeling to another feeling, can you change along with that music? We had the leaders try go into closed position on the bridge. We had everyone try hitting the brakes on a certain beat, and we had the followers try, when they heard the new phrase, throwing a hand up in the air even while they're following. All those are good exercises just to see, can you respond to the music even while you dance to it? That's sort of the structure part of it. Last thing we did was we talked about mood. For the mood, we got a little sexy time. Oh yeah, we put that in the middle. We just played a couple different songs, random songs, not even necessarily swinging. We asked you to dance differently. It's not that there's one prescriptive thing you have to do to a certain song. And I'm very against the idea that when someone puts out a song, it is a this dance song. I don't think that's the case. It's a song, and you can dance to it how you want. I think if you pay attention to that song, there's a quality and a feeling to that song that should inform you when you dance to it. So we played some exciting bouncy stuff. We played some slow sexy stuff, and what did I do?
You turn the lights down.
Turned on the lights, and everyone was like, oh right, dancing. And it did change a little bit. So, the rhythm, you must have it, you must swing. The structure, pay attention to how the music moves in these chunks, change when they change. And the mood, feel the mood, you must pay attention to what it feels like when you dance, not just hammer out your steps. We'll do more next week.
I was here.